Hello, I'm Nancy Vetters, the Outreach and Instruction Librarian here at Mitchell College. In this tutorial, I will be providing an introduction to conducting academic research. I'll demonstrate some of the basic search features that will make your efforts more efficient and effective. You'll be searching the library's extensive holdings of online journal articles, ebooks, magazines, and news. From the library's homepage, type in a topic. You will notice that this box, called full text, is checked. That means that your results will show the complete text of articles that are available to us. You can modify this if you want, but for now we will go with the default of full text. I'll type in the term cyberbullying to begin a search on that topic. Here are our search results. You will see that the keyword cyberbullying brought up more than 49,000 articles. To limit the choices, click on this link for filters. Filters are a quick way to get a more focused and relevant list of results. They help you limit the results in a number of ways, such as filtering a specific date or time period, or the name of a journal that would have the information you're looking for. Try adding one or more filters to your search to get a more relevant list. Returning to the articles from our keyword search, you will see something called a research starter. This is a great way to get more information quickly about your subject. You can click Read More. That will give you background information. Research starters are a good way to quickly see if the topic is something that you want to explore in depth. You can also see that research starters include related topics, such as bullying in schools, bullying in development, internet troll. These can assist you in narrowing your focus or in learning more about the subject. Now, if you look at the left, check out the concept map. This shows you how that term is connected to others. It helps you explore the ideas and narrow down the focus of your research. You have the options to use either the map view or the grid view. This is the grid view. This is the map view. Both will show you how the topic of cyberbullying is connected to many others. These are helpful for you to either add to your research, narrow your focus, and also gather up more keywords for assistance with your research. Returning to our list of articles, notice that each has a description of the format it is in. For example, this is an ebook. This is also an ebook. This is an encyclopedia article, and this is a peer-reviewed journal article. If you want more information, click on the title to get a detailed record. You can scroll down to see more information. A journal article will include an abstract, which is a brief summary of the article and its main points. If this is something that you think is relevant to you and that you want to read, you can click on Access options. You can either view the article online, you can view it as a PDF, and you can also download it. There are other actions you can take from this page too. You can generate a citation with this link. Choose which style you want to use, for example, APA style. Then just copy the citation to the clipboard. You will want to double check this citation to make sure it's accurate before you use it in a paper or for your research. That concludes this tutorial. I hope it was helpful for you. If you have any questions about using the Mitchell College Library's website, don't hesitate to contact the librarians.